Number 6 in our countdown of SAC signs, school is starting soon, Lafayette Meadows Elementary expansion and renovation. While the project is just getting started, quite a bit of progress has been made. This includes a new, improved traffic pattern and safer, more efficient drop-off and pickup stops, as well as a new parking lot for staff and overflow during school events. The playground has been raised and relocation to its new site is underway, making way for the wing of 12 new classrooms. The site of the new auxiliary gym is being prepped and construction will begin soon. More information about the project and its progress is available on Lafayette Meadows Elementary's website